फाटल्या वर्सा दक्षिण गोंयांत अपघातात मरण येवपाची 92 प्रकरणां घडिल्लीं, तातूंतली 86 प्रकरणांचेर कारवाय जाल्ली। ह्या वर्सा अपघातात मरण येवप्यांची 86 प्रकरणां नोंद आसून 85 प्रकरणांचेर तपास पुराय जाला। तशेंच ह्या वर्सा दक्षिण गोंयांत सायबर क्रायमाक लागून फसवणूक जावची न्हय म्हूण विविध 28 सुवातांचेर जनजागृती कार्यक्रमाचें आयोजन केल्लें, अशी पुलीस अधीक्षक अभिषेक धानिया हांच्यांनी म्हायती दिल्या। RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
As far as non-heinous cases are concerned, there has been a decrease of 29.23% of non-heinous cases IPC compared to last year. Now there has, as far as accident, because that has been a line in accident, there has been a slight decrease compared to last year, whereas the fatal cases stand 86 compared to 92 last year. The other accidents stand 132 compared to 154 last year. However, there has been an increase of 49% in the MB cases that we have registered this year. The preventive action in which the district has registered action against the bad characters and the history sheeters. The chapter cases that we have done under 107, 109, 110, 133 and 145, there has been an increase in 7% in the preventive action. As far as the cyber awareness program is concerned, we have conducted 28 cyber awareness programs. Under Know Your Neighbor scheme, that is the tenant servant verification scheme, we have conducted 14%. There has been an increase in 14.52 in filling up the tenant and verification program. As far as the Prayas is concerned, in which we are doing the community policing program for the slums, this year we have conducted 24 such programs under various slum areas. The overall law and order situation for the district had remained peaceful. The district meticulously prepared and were able to successfully conduct various security arrangements, especially in wake of multiple G20 meetings, SU meetings, multiple national games, then a visit of Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable President, Honorable Vice President and other dignitaries in the year 2023. Now the district has already prepared its elaborative arrangement for the upcoming Christmas and the New Year program. And apart from that, in year 2024, we will be broadly focusing on 6 areas that includes NDPS, road accidents, the street crimes and the heinous crimes, then security, streamlining the security arrangements for VIP and others, as well as the election preparedness for the year 2024. Jai Hind.